did a little digging and I saw a video where the mechanic was told that the issue with the van was a fuel pump. So he did some electrical diagnosis and found out that it was a relay switch that was bad. And I think it was this one for the video he was doing, but I looked on the manual and this is the relay switch for the fuel pump here. So I just went ahead and just pushed everything down and tightened everything. This is also right here the fuse for the relay switch. So I'll put a multimeter on that and test the voltage. But yeah, this was the fuel pump relay switch for the 05 350 5.4 Triton 2-valve. The inertia switch is right here. It's on the passenger side behind the kick plate. It's got the yellow top here, and this red button here would be popping up if this van got into an accident. This is like a kill switch to the fuel pump, so no fuel will be going through the pump. And I just reset the button. It wasn't popping out, but I reset it anyways and checked all the relays under the hood like I showed you, and hopefully that's all it was and it's not a fuel pump issue. Cross your fingers that this starts. Oh, so this is van life. You got your shoe rack up there. This is my closet here. Anyways. Okay, let's see if this starts. Well, it started. It was a hard start. I don't know if it was because I let off the ignition too quick. It's better than what happened yesterday. Didn't sound good, but it started. Just gonna let it run a little bit. I put some fuel system cleaner in there yesterday and drove it up the mountain. I'll maybe let some more of that system go through the system. I don't like how that sounded. Hey, but it started. Maybe it tripped something when I hit that inertia switch button. So let's see here. A little nervous of how that kicked on, but it kicked on. All right. Yesterday I took it down to the town and went to a few shops and turned the engine off and on, and it was fine. There was no hard starts. So this is the cold start after yesterday, and without checking the switches, the relays or the fuse, and without checking the inertia switch, seems to be running okay. Just gonna let it idle for a few minutes and then turn the AC on and cool it off in the van a little bit, and then make a turkey sandwich. All right. watch my other videos, subscribe.